Hi everyone, Raja here. So this video is about the trade that we took in GBP pair yesterday. So yesterday we made use of this entire downfall. We positioned ourselves somewhat here and we targeted till this low, and as expected price reached that low and it was a nice trade. We took it in 4 hour time frame and we got around 2 hour returns. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so as usual, we know that GBP was completely in bearish bias. So ideally, we need to target all the short positions. Okay, so as expected, in daily we don't see any key level here except this daily BSOB that is left untapped. So if you are going to 4 hour, we can see the order flow was perfectly bearish. It was respecting all the bearish arrays and it was disrespecting all the bullish arrays. Okay, so here you can see it is coming in perfect downfall direction, where every OB is being respected and it is the as expected in the last video. I might have mentioned about the signs behind the candle closure, how we need to pay attention to each and every candle's respect and disrespecting mechanism, everything. So similarly, in this trade as well, we followed the same logic and we took the trade here. See, this is the singular candle which engulfed all these three candles. Okay, so as per our system, we need to uh, identify all these three candles as a 4 hour bearish OB. So that is how we planned our trade. So we marked this as 4 hour bearish OB, and within that 4 hour bearish OB, this 4 hour CB has also formed. So to avoid missing entry, we placed our limit order here around this point, and we kept our SL around this swing high, and we targeted this swing low, the previous week low, which came around 1:2. So yeah, as expected, price came into this and it has tapped into this and it just went out. So this is like the eagle eyes view. If you are just going down deeper and if you are seeing some, if you are paying attention somewhat much closer view, here you can see, including the intraday profile. See here, I'm just shifting to 15-minute time frame. Here, if you are seeing it here, as expected, price has taken out this London high and it has spoken into this 4 FEG and it has fallen down again. So when we are just incorporating the intraday profile as well here, it has given us perfect neo continuation profile. Again, if you are just looking it further deeper, see here, there's something. The below one is the euro pair and the above one is the GBP pair. Here also I will show you. See, the beneath one is the euro pair, above one is the GBP pair. Uh, Wait a minute. Yeah. So here, if you can see this 4 FEG, similarly, we got this 4 FEG, it got tapped into it and it will falling down. But if you're seeing it here in this pair, it will be more clearer. See, this is the point where we place our limit order for 4 hour. But in 15 minutes, if you're seeing it in this price range, see the S&P, perfect S&P. Euro formed lower high, but in GBP it formed higher high. So this is perfect signal that price is willing to go down. So as expected, price formed 15-minute CSG, but if you are waiting for 15-minute CSG and 15-minute entry means price hasn't retraced at all. Either you should have jumped here itself and targeting this low or the previous week low, which we targeted for 4 hour entry, or for safer side, we just placed the limit order in the 4 hour OB and we just kept our SL in 4 hour swing high, and as expected, price tagged into it and it fallen off. So yeah, that's all for this day, and I will show you the real stats as well. Yeah. So wait a minute. So this is the real trade that we took in GBP. So it was a nice trade. We booked around 1:2. We listed around $75. $70, I guess, yeah. $70 for this trade. And I took a partial when nearest swing low has been taken out. And then we booked them completely once price reaches this previous week low. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you.